Tired of creepers ruining your meticulously crafted base? Let's build a hidden to flush piston door to keep those pesky mobs out for good. First, gather your materials. You'll need sticky pistons, building blocks to match your wall, redstone dust, a redstone torch, pressure plates, and redstone repeaters. Start by placing the sticky pistons on top of each other, facing outwards, where you want one side of your door to be. Leave a 2-block space and repeat the process with 2 more sticky pistons to make up the other side of the door. Now, place your chosen building blocks in front of the sticky pistons to create the actual door. These blocks will retract and extend when the door opens and closes, so make sure they blend in with your wall. Behind the pistons, place redstone dust leading away from the door on both sides. This will form the foundation of your redstone circuit. Place 2 redstone repeaters behind the redstone dust, making sure they are facing away from the pistons. Set both repeaters to 2 ticks of delay to ensure the pistons retract in the correct order. Next, place a block beside the redstone dust and place a redstone torch on the side of that block, powering the redstone dust above it. This will invert the signal, allowing the door to remain closed until activated. Dig down 1 block in front of the door and place a pressure plate above the redstone dust. When stepped on, the pressure plate will power the redstone, deactivating the torch and opening the door. Repeat this entire process on the other side of the door to create an entrance from the other side, and there you have it, a fully functional to flush piston door.